Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to make this cute little rice bowl together. So let's start it. So first we need to make a knot just like this, and then put our hook in, yarn over, and then fasten it. And now we need to make 8 chain. Then in the second chain from our hook, we do a single crochet first. We put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. In here we can put a mark, and then we need to do 5 more single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and then in the very last stitch we need to do 3 single crochet in the same stitch. This one, we put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. We need to do 2 more times in the same stitch. We do 5 more single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, so after the 5 single crochet in the very last stitch, we do a single crochet increase. Single crochet increase means in this stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. We need to do 1 more single crochet in this stitch. After the single crochet increase, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch. We put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. So in the same stitch, we need to do 1 chain first, and then in the same stitch we do a single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So for this round, the pattern is all single crochet around. We need to do 16 single crochet in total, just 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. We just repeat it till the end. After the very last single crochet, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we do a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. And in the mark place, we need to do a single crochet first. Put our hook in, yarn over, and go through 2 loops. So this is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. Then we need to do 5 more single crochet, just 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. After the 6th single crochet, and we need to do a single crochet decrease. We put our hook into the center of the next stitch, and then put our hook into the center of the next one, just like this. And then we yarn over, and go through 2 loops. So that is a single crochet decrease. We combine 2 stitches into 1, and then in the next stitch, the full stitch, we do a single crochet, and we need to do 5 more single crochet, just 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And after the 6th single crochet, we need to do 1 more single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the center of the stitch, like this. Also put it in the center of the stitch 1 more time, yarn over here, and yarn over, go through 2 loops on our hook. Here we take off our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. Put our hook in, yarn over, and pull our hook directly. So for this round, we do 1 chain first, and then we skip the first stitch, jump to the second one. This one, we put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And then remember to put a mark. We need to do 5 single crochet in total. We already did 1 and just do 4 more. So after the 5 single crochet, and then we need to do a single crochet decrease. We put our hook into the center of the next stitch, and 1 more center of the next stitch, yarn over here, and then go through 2 loops on our hook. Then we do 5 more single crochet, do the full stitch like this. After the 5 single crochet, we skip 1 stitch and then jump to the mark place to do a slip stitch directly. Put our hook in and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start. For this round also we skip the very first stitch. We skip this one and jump to the second one here. Put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops to do a single crochet. Remember to put a mark. And then we do 2 more single crochet, full stitch. Then we do a single crochet decrease. Put a hook in the middle of the stitch. Only crochet half stitch, and 1 more time like this, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. And then we need to do 4 more single crochet. Just do in the full stitch, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. So after the 4 single crochet, we skip 1 stitch and then jump to our mark place to do a slip stitch directly. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here we leave a long end and then snip off. So now we need to fill this. So after filled, we put our hook into the center of the stitch like this, and then we skip the next one, jump to the one next to it, only the half of it, and then skip 1, and then only the half of it. Skip 1, only the half of it. And then in here we just fasten it. We can put our needle in the center of the little circle in here and go direct to the bottom. Now for the black part, we need to cut a length of the yarn, and we need to split it. We only use the half of the yarn like this. So for the black part, we do a knot first like this. Put our hook in, yarn over, and then fasten it. We do 13 chain first. And then in the second chain from a hook, we put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our first single crochet. We need to do 12 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. After the 12 single crochet, we do 1 chain and then flip it. We need to do 12 more single crochet for this row. 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. We put our hook in the first stitch, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. We just repeat it till the end. And then the mark place should be our very last single crochet for this round. Take off the mark, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then we do 1 chain. Here we do 12 single crochet more. Put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over. Also, if you like me don't have enough length, we can change it. Grab another half. We just split, and in here is an unfinished single crochet. Let me do it one more time. Like we do 1 chain here to start our next round. Then we put our hook into the first stitch, yarn over like this. In here we have 2 loops on our hook, and then we just grab this on the back. Press this on the back, and then yarn over. That's it. And then we just continue crocheting. Put our hook in. Here we can put this short end and long end on top of our hook to carry it. Then we just continue like 12 single crochet. After the 12 single crochet, we do 1 chain and then we snip off. And then we can glue those 2 ends on the back, and then use the hot glue to glue it on the rest. So you can add some little decoration by your own. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.